Welcome to the topic on AL building forms in Angulars. Forms are an essential part of any web application, allowing users to input data and interact with the application. Angular provides two main approaches for building forms: template-driven forms and reactive forms. Each approach has its benefits, and we'll explore how to create and work with both types of forms in this topic. Introduction to forms in Angular. Angular provides a powerful and flexible way to handle forms, whether they are simple login forms or complex multi-step forms. Forms in Angular allow us to capture user input, perform validations, and handle form submissions with ease. Template-driven forms. Template-driven forms are a declarative approach to building forms in Angular. They rely on directives in the template to create and control the form elements and their behavior. Template-driven forms are great for simple forms with minimal custom logic. To create a template-driven form, we add the ngForm directive to the form element and use other Angular form directives like ngModel for two-way data binding. Or to handle form submission, we can use the ngUseSubmit directive and call a method in the component. Reactive forms. Reactive forms are a programmatic approach to building forms in Angular. They are more powerful and flexible than template-driven forms and are suitable for complex forms with custom validation and dynamic form elements. To create a reactive form, we first import the necessary form-related classes from Reactive Forms, then create a form group and form control instances. Handling form submission in reactive forms is similar to template-driven forms. We use the ngSubmit directive and call a method in the component. Forms are a crucial part of any web application, and Angular provides powerful tools to build and handle them. In this topic, we explored two approaches for building forms: template-driven forms and reactive forms. Template-driven forms are declarative and suited for simple forms, while reactive forms are more powerful and flexible, making them a better choice for complex forms